In the sponsor tab of the MSA Analyzer for syndication deals, the sponsor has the option to add different partners to the deal. You have the flexibility to add up to 15 different partners and allocate the split of the GP among the different partners. The last table will provide you with a summary of that split, so the percent of GP as well as percentage ownership in the deal. This table pulls the returns based on the waterfall selected for the GP, so that includes the different GP fees, the acquisition fee, asset management fee, your deferred sponsored fees, if there are any deferred sponsor fees, capital transaction fees, and that's all based on the selection selected for the waterfall. So if I'm doing an IRR waterfall, the information from this table is being pulled from that IRR waterfall. If I'm doing a tri-tier waterfall, that information is being pulled from that tri-tier waterfall. And this table is the projected LP returns per contribution. This is a useful table that you can include in your investment deck when you send to potential LP investors, because a lot of investors will want to see what their returns look like if they were to invest, say, $50,000. So you can run that scenario and show the investors what their returns will look like, what their cash flow would look like, and what their total profit would look like at the end of the deal. If you have any additional questions on how to navigate this tab, please contact us by visiting www.msanalytica.com.